Welcome back to ARBS 2024. My name's Sandra Rossi and I'm here at the Vilair stand with Mick Edwards. Hello Mick.
Hi Sandra, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Now can you tell me a little bit about this, some of the products that are here at the stand? Firstly, what is this here?
Okay, well, I guess particularly during COVID times, the market was really calling out for high efficiency filtration with low pressure drop. So what Vilair is bringing to the market at ARBS this year is a microelectrostatic precipitator filter which answers that call.
Okay.
So the microelectrostatic precipitator, we've got an example here of a demonstration unit. So we've got the MESP filter here and we're comparing that against a standard bag type filter.
Okay.
So according to industry, these are both rated at F9.
Yep.
But we're getting much higher performances out of the MSP filter. So I can show you up here. So these are both running at 2.5 metres a second. So we're achieving around 944 litres a second out of both filters. The media filter is running at around 140 pascals resistance. The MSP system is running, to be fair, at around 40 pascals resistance. So the difference in that resistance means we're achieving around a 70% energy saving for the same airflow with a better filter performance. So not only that, as soon as we increase our fan energy, the noise increases. So you can hear, you're probably hearing it, Sandra, the noise out of the system that's with the bag filter is a lot higher. So systems then need to overcome that noise. So we need to do something there.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's very impressive savings. That's very efficient. So how do you sort of, with this noise, are you able to demonstrate changes in the system? I noticed this unit over here. So what does that do?
Not necessarily the noise. So this is a particle counter. So we're actually demonstrating there what the ambient conditions are. So I can tell you just even today within here, we're finding our smaller particles have increased quite dramatically as people have started to come in and the show started to fill up. So PM 2.5 is an industry standard on what we're looking at. We have good air quality here in Australia, but you can see that's quite low. But it's the smaller particles there which we're more interested in when we're looking at things in tackling the filtration of viruses and things like that. So I can show you, if you like, what we're achieving. If I hold the particle counter against there, it takes a little bit of time, but if we look at the top figure, which is our 0.3 or less than 0.3 microns, you can see that the measurement there is dropping right down. So our PM 2.5 is now gone to 0 and our smaller particles are reducing more and more consistently. So in the interest of time, I won't take it too far, but if I then do that comparison against what we achieve out of the bag filter, you can see that for what is a similarly rated filter, the performance on smaller particles is not as good as what we're getting out of the microelectrostatic filter.
That's very impressive. So the products we're talking about here, right here?
There's two different products which we have at the market, we're bringing to the market at present. So from Vilair's perspective, if a filter isn't serviceable, it's not going to be serviced and therefore it's going to create problems. So we have the FAH unit, which is designed to be fitted into an air handling unit. Air handling unit in a plant room, nice and easy and accessible. Just to show you quickly, we have a pre-filter. If it's a high dust environment, we recommend that you have an additional pre-filter in front of it because we want to keep the large particles off it. After that pre-filter is the ionizer. That's a washable element. And this is the main thing, which is the microelectrostatic. So that is a hard, durable item. So that also is a washable. So not only are you getting high efficiency filtration, you're getting that filtration at lower pressure drop, less fan energy, and a washable filter, and you don't have products going to waste. So landfill.
Okay.
So that's the air handling unit.
Yep.
The other one that we're bringing to market is more designed for retrofits. So this product is available in a 600 by 600, a 600 by 300, a 600 by 900 and a 600 by 1200. So it's basically designed for commercial applications where we've got an existing sealing grid for this type of filter. So the sort of applications we're looking at are things like a medical centre where you have a high population, maybe a waiting room, or where you've got a nursing home in common areas, even hotels where you have high transient populations and you're looking for that high levels of filtration for things like viruses. These are ideal for that. So once again, the grills, you can use a half chevron or an egg crate grill which is applied by yourself, and it's got the same scenario as what we've got over here. I won't pull it apart for you. We've got an airflow sensor on it, so if it doesn't sense air, it turns it off. And there's also a micro switch. As soon as you remove the pre-filter, the unit turns off.
Very good. Well, all things air filtration. If you want to talk to the experts, come down to the Vilair stand at ARBS. Thank you very much for your time, Mick.
Thank you, Sandra. Thank you.